Alright, so customer complaint is the drive's not tumbling. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like he has a broken belt. Let's see. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so we got it open. As we can see, it's a broken belt. Let's see if they want to do the repair. Alright, so this is the new belt we're about to put on. So let's take it apart. Alright, so here's the old belt that broke right here. That's the new belt that's on there, so we just got to put it back together. Alright, so we got it back on. Let's see. It's back to tumbling. We can hear that ball bouncing.